Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to discuss spinal cord, its structure and function. Have you ever wondered how your brain tells your body to move instantly? Like when you decide to walk or grab something, there is a special pathway carrying those messages every second, and that's your spinal cord. It's your body main communication highway connecting the brain to every organ, muscle and sense. But what exactly is this structure that keep your body connected so perfectly? Let's take a closer look. The spinal cord is like a living electrical wire made of millions of nerve fibers. It starts from the brainstem and runs all the way down your lower back. It safely includes inside your vertebral column, your backbone, which protect it from shocks or injuries. Even a small injury here can change how you move, feel or react. Now that we know where it is, let's see what it actually looks like inside. If you could cut the spinal cord in half, you would see something amazing, a butterfly shaped pattern in the center. That's the gray matter made up of neuron cell bodies. Around it is the white matter filled with long nerve fibers that carry messages up and down like high speed internet cables. But this spinal cord is not uniform throughout. It changes as it travels down your body. Let's explore its regions next. The spinal cord is divided into four major regions. The cervical region controls the neck, shoulders and arms. The thoracic region manages the chest and back muscle. The lumbar region helps move your legs and the sacral region controls your lower organs like the bladder and pelvis. Each region is like a department in a big communication network, all working together to keep your body running smoothly. Now that we know its parts, let's see how this amazing system actually works. Think of the spinal cord as a two-way expressway. Messages from the brain travel down to the muscles, telling them when to move. Meanwhile, sensory information from your body travels up, letting your brain know what's happening around you. It's non-stop lightning fast communication that keeps your body in sync. But sometimes the spinal cord doesn't even wait for the brain. It reacts on its own. How? Let's find it out. Have you ever touched something hot and pulled your hand back before you even realized it? That's a reflex action and it's handled completely by your spinal cord. The message travels to the spinal cord which instantly sends an order to your muscle to move. Only afterward does your brain realize what happened. This fast shortcut helps protect you from danger in milliseconds. These reflexes are just one of the spinal cord's many important jobs. Let's explore all its main functions together. So, what are the spinal cord's key roles? It acts as a bridge between your brain and your body. It also controls reflex actions, maintains posture, and ensures smooth coordination of movements. Every time you walk, pick up something, or even sit upright, your spinal cord is silently working behind these scenes. Because it's so essential, your body give it special protection. Let's see how it stays safe. The spinal cord is one of the best protected structures in your body. It is surrounded by the vertebrae, strong bones that act like armor plates, and cushioned by cerebrospinal fluid known as CSF, which keeps it safe from shocks and impacts. But if the spinal cord gets injured, the signals can't travel properly, leading to loss of movement or sensation, also known as paralysis. That's why it's so important to protect your spine because it protects everything else. So in summary, your spinal cord is your body's message highway. It links your brain with every organ and muscle, carries instruction and responds instantly when needed. From reflexes to movement and from balance to coordination, it's the system that keeps you active and alive. And that's how your spinal cord keeps you moving, feeling, and reacting every second of your life. If you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And in our next video, we will dive deeper into the neuron structure and types to see how individual nerve cells make this whole system possible. Thank you.